Hi, this is Rebecca from Shandong Fudeng Automobile. Today I will show you our 4XL's 80 tons low bed semi-trailer for Africa customer. The main beam will build with the thick plate. You can see the top plate we use 20 thickness and the bottom we use 25 thickness. And the main beam here we also weld the plate to reinforce the support of the good neck piece. Use the landing gear. The side beam we build with 280, and the side beam we build with the S-type, the welding plate. And we use a different size of the rope hooks to help you fasten your goods and machinery, and also with the ratchet. And the suspension here, we also weld the plate with the suspension and the main beam. In this case, we can increase the welding area to increase our strongability of the suspension. And from here, you can see we also weld the reinforced plate on the main beam. And also here is also the double plate on the main beam. By this, we can increase the stronger ability of our low bed semi-trailer. For the XL, we also produce with the customized big size of the XL, which can satisfy for the bad road conditions. And the ramps, we also build the box type instead of the S-type. The box type is make more stronger. And with the lift spring ramps can easily operate by one person. And we also weld the plates, anti-skip bars, and also on the bottom plate we also weld the anti-skip bars. This is a middle ramp with customer request for his three-wheel vehicles loading. So if you are interested, you're welcome to contact us. Thank you. Bye-bye.